Hi there. This is a short video to promote our sister site, Woodworking UK Tools and Sales. Everybody has stuff in their garage that they're not going to use anymore, or in their workshop that they're not going to use anymore, that they hang on to, or that they want. Our sales site was set up so people could bag themselves a bargain or bag themselves something that they need. If you've got something missing that you'd like, something unique that you want, something unique that you think someone else would want, then you can bung it on there for sale. It's running the same way by the same admins of Woodworking UK, your favourite site, and there are bargains to be had. As you know, I buy a lot of stuff at boot sales, or people who read what I type know. Clamps, hammers, bit and braid, all of this stuff appears at boot sales, and because I'm a bit of a magpie, I buy it. Sometimes it upgrades what I've got. Most of the time it sits in a box till I can be bothered to sell it on eBay or the sales site. If you're looking for something, stick it on there as something you want. If you've got something spare, stick it on there for something, exchange it, get yourself a bit of cash. There are bargains to be had. Obviously we're not eBay, so we don't have the same sort of safety guards on things that are bought and sold, so just take a bit of care, but I think most members are pretty sensible. They're not going to buy anything dodgy, and you're in direct communication with the guy who's selling it, or the person that's selling it. It's monitored by the admins, so if there are any problems you can just message them, but in the main it's running the same way by the same bunch of guys, so any problems with it, tip us a wink. Cheers.